This is Leo. He is 7 years old, small for his age, big brown eyes, a lunchbox with a dinosaur on it. And today, Leo has a problem. His classmate Marcus is standing in front of him with his arms crossed, looking very proud of himself.
My dad is a firefighter. He saves people from burning buildings. He's the strongest man in the whole city.
My dad could beat up your dad.
Your dad? That quiet man who picks you up on a bicycle? He can't even drive a car.
My dad is the strongest. You just don't know him.
Every day at 3:30, Daniel is waiting at the school gate. He always comes on his old blue bicycle, always with a small bag of apple slices in his jacket pocket. Always 5 minutes early. Leo runs out and gets on the back. He doesn't say anything for a while.
Quiet day?
Marcus said you're not strong.
What do you think?
I said you could beat up his dad.
Is that so?
You could, right, Dad?
Let's go home, Leo.
Their apartment is small. 2 rooms. 1 window that looks out at the building next door. Daniel works at a laundry. He presses shirts all day. He comes home smelling like steam. He is not a firefighter. He is not a soldier. He does not wear a uniform. But every night, he makes dinner. He checks Leo's homework. He sits beside him until he falls asleep. Tonight, Leo is eating quietly, still thinking about what Marcus said.
Dad, do you wish you had a car?
Why?
Marcus says strong dads have cars.
I have a bicycle. It gets us where we need to go.
But it's embarrassing.
Embarrassing?
I didn't mean.
It's okay. Eat your food.
After dinner, while Leo is brushing his teeth, Daniel sits on the edge of Leo's bed. He picks up a photograph from the small shelf. A woman. Smiling. Holding a baby. That baby is Leo. And that woman is gone. She passed away when Leo was 2. Daniel never talks about it. He keeps the photo. He keeps going. Leo comes in and sees his dad holding the picture.
Dad? Are you crying?
No. Come to bed.
Was Mama strong?
She was the strongest person I ever knew.
Stronger than a firefighter?
Much stronger.
Dad, I don't care about the car. I was just saying that because Marcus made me feel bad.
I know.
You are strong, right?
Go to sleep, Leo.
The next morning, something unexpected happens. Leo's teacher, Mrs. Hanna, calls Daniel and asks him to come in. She says Leo has been getting into arguments. She says Leo seems upset about something. She says she's concerned. Daniel asks his manager if he can leave for 1 hour. His manager sighs.
You already took time off last month, Daniel. For the hospital, remember?
I know. I'm sorry. It's my son.
1 hour. Go.
Leo said some things yesterday that worried me. He told the class you were once in the military, that you had medals, that you gave them away because you didn't want to show off.
He said that?
Is any of it true?
No medals. No military.
He's trying to make you bigger, Mr. Daniel. Kids do that when they feel their family is being looked down on. It's not bad. But it means he's hurting a little.
He wants a father he can brag about.
He wants a father he's proud of. That's different.
That afternoon, Daniel is waiting as always. Blue bicycle, apple slices in his pocket. But today, Leo walks out slowly. His head is down.
Mrs. Hana called you, didn't she?
Yes.
Are you angry?
No. Sit down. I need to tell you something. When your mother got sick, Leo, I worked 3 jobs. Night shifts at the factory, days at the laundry, weekends cleaning offices. For 2 years, I barely slept. I sold the car to pay for her treatments. I sold my watch. I sold everything I thought we could live without.
Did it help?
It bought us more time with her. 8 more months. I would do it again every single day.
That's why we don't have a car.
That's why we don't have a car.
That's really strong.
Marcus's dad runs into burning buildings. That is brave. Don't take that away from him.
But you ran into a different kind of fire.
Where did you learn to say things like that?
From you. You always say the true thing.
Hey, I didn't mean to be mean yesterday. My mom said I was being mean.
It's okay.
Is your dad really strong?
Yeah, he really is. Just not the kind of strong you can see.
Cool.
That evening, on the blue bicycle, Leo wraps his arms a little tighter around his father's waist.
Dad, I'm going to tell everyone the real story tomorrow. About Mama. About the 3 jobs. About the car.
You don't have to?
I know, but I want to. Dad?
Yes?
You could still beat up Marcus's dad, just so you know.
Maybe. But I think he'd put out the fire first.
Yeah, that would probably help.
Some fathers carry swords, some carry hoses, and some carry their families on a blue bicycle through every quiet, heavy, ordinary day. That is its own kind of strength. That is its own kind of brave.